If you're running a large cluster of interconnected cloud services, a systemic failure probably won't start with a crash. There will be no loud explosion or dramatic boom. Not at the early stages of the problem anyway. Initially, all you'll hear is a faint whine, one node that's struggling to keep its head above water. It could be a web server, or a database, or a queue, or a cache, or a block store, whatever your bottleneck that is the weakest part of your system happens to be. You'll notice it hiccuping and sweating. You'll see its performance slowly degrading and becoming less predictable, as the machine, little by little, gets completely overwhelmed. Then finally, and this could be minutes or hours or weeks later, it goes down, taking who knows what with it along the way. In order for these kinds of problems to manifest, a laundry list of things need to go wrong. Your internal monitoring needs to miss the warning signs. Your backups or redundancies need to be unavailable or non-existent. And your routine maintenance procedures need to have a big blind spot. Given all that, it might be tempting to assume that these kinds of failures are rare. But they're not. Not at all. They happen in every system, at every level of scale, at tiny startups and at huge enterprises alike. A core component, critical to the operations of the system as a whole, gets neglected and ignored until the moment that it simply can't and won't be ignored anymore. Boom. Today's paper isn't about fixing these kinds of situations or cleaning up the mess they cause. It's about preventing them systematically through a combination of algorithms and optimizations that allow you to, treat your services and applications better. That is, give them the optimal amount of and kinds of resources they need to do whatever you're asking of them. Services are a bit like plants. They don't ask for much, but the things they do ask for are non-negotiable. Instead of sunlight, water, and nutrients, it's RAM, CPU, disk, and network, etc. And like plants, if they don't get what they need, they'll die. Today's episode of Journal Club is about keeping them alive. If you're already subscribed to our email newsletter, then you'll be getting this full episode in text and audio form delivered right to your inbox in the next few hours. Journal Club, the latest academic research explained in plain English.